You can eat pasta in Sicily, or you can cook it from scratch with a Nonna and end up popping Prosecco in someone's kitchen. Woo! We did the second one, and it turned out to be one of the most memorable things we did in Palermo. If you're only here for a few days, this is the kind of experience you don't want to miss. Our Nonna for the day lives just outside of Palermo city center.
Sorry, I don't speak English well.
We were invited to this cooking class, but as usual, our opinions remain our own. After a warm welcome, we sat down and learned what we would be cooking that day.
Fish.
Swordfish?
Sì. Aubergine and tomato.
Ooh, yeah.
And mint.
Traditional.
Sì.
Okay.
And after the cake of lemon.
Beautiful kitchen.
I love it. All yellow.
All yellow. Okay. Is this a Sicilian lemon?
Gotta grate the lemon.
No white.
No
Only
white.
yellow. Only yellow. I've been told.
Only yellow. Flour, sugar, lievito. 5.
Oh, simple. Delicious.
Maybe, ora vediamo.
Add in some angel bread powder. It'll be good.
Fine.
Okay. One, like this. And then. Perfecto. Perfecto. Basically Italian. Cutting some aubergines because that's a really crucial Sicilian food. And we're gonna fry them, right? Even the hair is fried in Sicily. Gotta feel a little slick now that they are blonde. We call it eggplant. Eggplant. Pop the champagne. No. We're not spraying it. Woo!
Oh yeah, that's romance.
Here she goes. Oh, when it's hot. This cake was so good, we made it back home for our families. Okay. How much? Like two? Two each. I'm making Italian cake with champagne. Feeling very Italian with my Prosecco. It's hitting me already. And Velia makes these little homemade almonds with salt. They're like so addicting. Oh my gosh. So bono, as we're told, means really good. I love the measuring here. It's very what's the word?
Laissez-faire.
Laissez-faire is what I was gonna say. It's very chill. They come with snacks, I think. Anchovies and cheese. Yep, snacks. Oh.
My one job.
Okay. Perfect.
Gonna go make the pasta.
A little salt. Egg no.
No egg, okay.
No, in Sicilian pasta no egg.
No egg.
Please see me.
Okay. Mix.
And after the water. Okay?
Okay.
Go.
Oh!
Grazie. Ciao.
You're so fast.
Okay?
Okay.
Forza, preparate.
One second. I want to see your technique.
No. È una scusa.
Okay, so very
Long.
long.
Cut.
Cut.
Ok?
Roll.
Oh, okay.
So like,
Perfetto. Brava.
like that?
Brava.
Qua, here.
I'm Italian.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Making some more kitty.
Perfect.
Perfecto. Got the wine. We love Guido. Vito wine,
Wine.
delicious.
Okay.
Oh, we love it. Right?
Okay.
The zucchini and agrodolce is so simple, just sweet, tangy zucchini and onions, and it's honestly incredible. Perfect, that's good. Mmm, that pasta's so good.
Thank you.
It's so
Thank you,
simple.
Shema. It's good.
So
That is
good. I love the swordfish, a little bit of fried eggplant, wine. Perfecto. Oh,
She did amazing. This pasta is spectacular.
Oh my gosh.
It's fresh pasta.
We get to take leftovers home and I can't wait for our Airbnb dinner. Dessert.
May I?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Sure.
Thank you.
Well, we are so full, and that was one of the most amazing experiences that you have to do when you visit Sicily. If you're ready to keep planning your trip, click like, hit subscribe, and check out our next video.